Hello, I'm Mrs. J, and welcome to my math class. Today we're going to learn about a savings account. Say you want to put so much money away for a couple months and see how much money you'd have at the end. And maybe you find an interest rate. In our example, we're going to use a 6% interest rate. And we're going to deposit $100 every month. So we want to find out in half a year how much money we'll have in the account. Well, what you can do is set up a table like this, and I already put the answers in, but I will go through the steps on how I found those values. But the period, these would be each month. So this is at the end of the first month, second month, third month. So this is the end of each month. And that's why you have interest here. Because that $100 has been in there for a whole month, you make the interest on it. And the interest is 6%. So at the end of the first month, when you get your statement, it'll have the $100 you put in plus 6%. So you take your balance, multiply by your 6% interest rate, and that tells you how much money you made that month. So you made 6% in interest. To the next month, so when we get this statement, we're going to add $100 plus the 6% we made, and that's how we get the $206. So we have the $106 that was in there, plus another $100 that we deposited it, because we're making deposits of $100 a month. When the next statement comes, then it'll be $206 plus the interest that you made that month. Notice the interest went up. Well, yeah, because now we have $206 times our 6%. So if you take $206 times 6%, you get $12.36. So this month we made $12.36. To go to the next one, we make another $100 deposit plus our interest, and that will give us $318.60 or 36. Sorry. And 36 cents. Then the interest that you make on this $318.36. So it is not just the $100 each time. You add the interest into it each time also for your balance. And that will get you the $19.10. You would keep doing that, and we wanted to see in half a year, which is 6 months, how much would be in it. So you would do that for each one. Add the 100 plus the interest. And then multiply this by 6% to get this one. And you keep going. Once we get to the 6th month, we want to see how much is in the account, because maybe we want to put a down payment on a car, or there's something we wanted to buy, and we want to see if there's enough money in the account. To find out how much money is in the account, you would take your balance plus your interest. So we take our balance, $697.53, plus the interest that we made that month. And that will tell us how much we made. And in this case, we made $739 and 38 cents. Now, not all of that was our money, because some of it was interest. So we want to find out how much money we put in. Well, we put in $100 a month. So each month we put in $100. And we did that for 6 months, $600. So the savings account, we put $100 in each month. So $600 of this $739 was money we put in. The rest of it then was interest. So to find your interest, you just take the total amount in the account subtract what you put into it, and there's your interest. So we take our 739 and subtract the 600, which means $139.38 was our interest. And so that's how you can find, if you find an interest rate, now of course I don't think you'll find a 6% interest rate anywhere right now, but you can look at the interest rates and see what they are, and then see how much money you'd be able to put into an account each time, and at the end of 6 months or at the end of summer, see how much is in there. And that's all we have for today. Thank you. Okay, you're supposed to stop. Green screen.